Alright, this video is for everyone that wants to know or needs to know, because I've been trying to find it all bloody morning on the internet, how to activate permanently police mode on a VY Commodore Series 1 that doesn't have the digital speedo readout initially. You don't need a Tech 2 scan tool to do it, which is what I've been reading that you need. I have the Vident iLink 400. It has all the Holden programming software on it from 95 to 2019, something like that. And yeah, this video is going to show you how to enable the software on here. I've already enabled it, which I'm pretty fucking stoked about. But yeah, this is how to do it. First, you got to plug your tool in down here. Car's filthy. Turn your ignition on to the on. As you can see, mine's already enabled there. Comes up straight away with the digital speedo. My car's a 2003 VY Series 1. Gives you all that. And on your tool down here, I don't know what sort of tools can do it, but I know this one can, and I'm pretty stoked for 315 bucks. So go to your Holden software, pick the year model of your car, and I clicked the wrong one. (2003) VY series. You go diagnose, control unit, body, and you want instrument. Then you want to go down to programming, and gives you your instrument configuration. Go into that. Ignition's already on. Press F1 for OK. And then go down to the bottom of this menu, and it has police mode. Mine was disabled initially. You just go modify, which is that's F1, F2, F3. Modify F3, and you can enable or disable it. I just enabled mine, and yeah, it's just a quick instructional on how to do it. So it can be done without a Tech 2 with quite a lot cheaper scan tool, but this little thing has impressed me. It can read, diagnose, delete any code from any system in the car. I worked out what was wrong with my airbag system, cleared the code, diagnosed the code, cleared the code, and yeah, get yourselves one of these if you want a budget scanner for your Commodore. Make sure you get the one that comes with Holden software if you got a Holden. She's the go-to guy.